Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will cover Java Maths. Okay, let's get started. Java Maths has many methods that can perform mathematical tasks on numbers. So we will start with maths.java. So xy value we will give like 5 and 10, which is the max value it should tell us. Okay, so 10 is the max value, then it should tell 10. Okay, now minimum value max dot minimum 5, then 5 will be printed. Now we have math dot square. So 64 is the square of 8, so 8 is printed. Okay, now absolute value, so positive value it should give 4.7. Okay, random math dot random between 0.0 to 1.1 it will give. Okay, so math random value is this, so it printed. Like to attach with some string we use the random. Math dot random we can use there. Okay, now math dot random in int we are calculating the value into 101, so 74. Okay, highest value, so we have max keyword for highest value. So let's see the, okay, max is there, that's correct. So thank you for watching my video, and if you have any question please comment. Okay, and please do like my video, do share and do subscribe. Thank you, bye bye.